Hey, 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 hey! Caddyman's back! Something new, something different. A sensation, maybe? Yeah. We're going to call it a high sensation. I was going to call it a hydration suicide. Back in the day when we'd all mix our sodas together and we'd call it a suicide. Well, I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to tick anybody off. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. We're going to have some fun. I don't know about you guys, but we're out in the sun a lot, and we have trouble staying hydrated. Water just doesn't cut it. Get tired of drinking this plain old Powerade or Gatorade. So we also did not want to on calories. So Angie and I came up with something different. Actually, it was Angie, not me. All I do is drink it, which I'm good at. I'm going to start out and I'm going to give you the measurements, and here you go. And you need to try this because it actually tastes good. Okay, there are several different electrolyte mixes you can use. We use this one, Dr. Price's, most of the time. And gosh, guys, this is very hard to do. You just tear open the package, pour it in. And as usual, I get to do my shake them up, go, go, go. See how I got the wrist action going? Okay. Now, here's a couple of others that we've tried. Hydrolyte. Now, when it's really bad out or the temperature is so hot and humidity is so high as we get here, this one right here is the one we use. And if you're drinking outside and you've had maybe one too many and you feel you're getting dehydrated, this right here is just like having a full bag of the hydration that you get at the hospital. So, anyway, here we go. Now, I'm going to mix this together, 6 ounces. Okay? 5 calories. 5. Count them. 5. Okay. Next one. Powerade. 2 ounces. 14 calories. This whole bottle is like 80. Pedialyte. Remember when we were a kid and had this stuff? I didn't realize how good this stuff was for you. 2 ounces of it. 4 calories. And for people who have little problems with their liver, with their kidneys, you need to dehydrate, you need to get that stuff moving through. Cranberry, 100%. 2 ounces, 27 calories. This whole concoction, or suicide, whichever you want to call it, comes to 50 calories. Let me tell you, 50 calories. After you get it mixed, I pour it into my favorite glass. You guys probably recognize this glass. Put on my top, put a little ice in there, cool her down, ready to roll. I'm hydrated. See you soon. Bye now.